The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. At 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, there have been reports of pixels destroying humanity and animals on planet Earth, and there is no way to stop this situation from spreading further. Humanity is on verge extinction level. The President of the United States and all several world leaders have been killed by the pixel virus. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world are advised to carry out these last instructions. Gather all of your friends and families and spend with your final moments on this beautiful planet. I have selected a verse from the Bible, and it will be played on the air for the final time. It goes as it follows. John 3:18, whoever believes in him is not condemned, but whoever does not believe in him stands condemned already, because he has not only known the name of Son of God. This station will now cease transmission with one last playing of our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. This is EAS Guy, Tom, signing off, with my last words. Goodbye forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem.